Here are the ingredients in cooking a delicious and Filipino-style menudo. 2 pounds pork. 1/4 pound pig liver. 4 pieces hot dog sliced diagonally. 1 piece diced potatoes. 1 piece carrot, cut into cubes. 2 pieces bell pepper. 1 piece chopped onion. 5 cloves minced garlic. 3/4 cup banana ketchup. 3/4 cup tomato sauce. 1 small can green peas. 1 small can liver spread. 1 small box raisins. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 Knorr pork cube. Salt and pepper to taste. Steps in cooking menudo. First, heat oil in pan. Once the oil gets hot, put the garlic and onion. Add the pork and cook until light brown. Add the liver and cook for 1 minute. Add the Knorr pork cube along with salt and ground pepper. Add the carrots and potato, and cook for 2 minutes. Add the bell pepper, green peas, hot dog and raisins and continue stirring. Add the liver spread and cook for 1 minute. Pour the tomato sauce, ketchup and water into the pot. Cover the pot and continue to boil between low to medium heat for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pork is tender. Transfer to a serving plate and serve.